Boutique. I'm Jody, and today we have the 2021 shipping supplies. And eBay always has these really cute holiday fourth quarter shipping supplies. I love to buy them. I use my eBay coupon, and I'll leave the link below. And so, okay, I did peek at one of them. I just couldn't help it. So let's open it and find out what's going on. I always use a knife because I've hurt myself on scissors way too many times. So I just give myself a kick. Okay. Oh, these are cute. My favorite color. Teal. Ooh, look how cute that is. It's got like little boxes, presents, shoes, a candle, purses. I really like their shipping supplies. I like their tape. It seems to work really well for me so far. And so there's 3 sets of these, and then this one is, it looks like navy blue. That is so cute. And green. Oh, cute. Oh, I love that for Christmas time. I love that for the holidays. How cute is that? And that's the dog. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Susan, are you going to help? Are you going to help? Oh, Susan. Be nice. Okay, then we have tissue paper. Oh, it's adorable. Oh, how cute is this? It's got like a white background and teal, navy blue, and green again. Oh, it's so cute. How adorable. I love their tissue paper. It's really big. Sometimes I'll cut a couple pieces in half. Usually I use a whole one, but if it's something like really big and I just don't want to use a big piece like that, then I'll cut it in half. But it's really nice paper, and I haven't found anything that's that nice for that price, and I have looked, so I think it's great. That is really cute. Oh, I love it. I'm so excited to use all my tissue paper for the holidays. I might even stock up on some more because it's really good stuff. And I did peek at this one. I was really naughty. I know. I couldn't help myself. So here we have blue, green, and that nice teal again. It kind of matches my dining room. So there's 3 colors. And I think these were the 6x9. And ooh, they have a cute little design on them. How cute is that? They all match. Ooh, I love to match. I love to match. That is adorable. I love that. These are kind of thinner, and I've never actually bought the bubble mailers before. The bubble is very thin, I have to say. I mean, they'll work, you know, I mean, they're good for shipping small items, and I would use this, but if you're going to use, I don't know, if you put jewelry in here, I would probably still use a bubble wrap or some kind of like a styrofoam protector in here because it is kind of thin. It's almost a non-existent bubble. It's very thin. But they work. You know, the plastic is always really durable. I haven't had any split on me. And that's always good when you're shipping things out. And usually I'm kind of paranoid. I will run tape all the way around on both sides. Just because I wouldn't want the possibility of something happening and a package opening up in the mail. I mean, that just wouldn't be nice to anybody. So the eBay shipping supplies, they do run out pretty quickly. So if you're going to get them, I would get them quickly because the numbers just keep running down. Sometimes they'll restock them in the supply and sometimes they don't. So what they have is what they have. So the quicker you get them, the better. But I just love these. It makes it exciting to ship things. And it just makes my job really fun to be all matchy. I know nobody else probably cares when they get their package maybe, but I like things to look nice. You know, I spend a lot of time finding things and shipping them and listing them. So I want people to have a good experience and to get a cute little package. So enjoy and have a fabulous day.